Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we talk about the latest tension in Akobo County, where the SPLA has rejected a planned visit by Governor Dr. Gaikok of Jonglei State. This report explains what happened, what both sides say, and how it might affect the people living in Akobo and surrounding areas. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel for more daily updates. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. The story began earlier this week when an advance team delegation arrived in Akobo County. They were preparing for the arrival of His Excellency Dr. Gaikok Deng, the governor of Jonglei State. According to the organization committee, Governor Dr. Gaikok was expected to arrive on Saturday, November 15, 2025. Honorable James Kwes, the commissioner of Akobo County, confirmed that preparations were already in full swing. He said people were excited and ready to welcome their leader under a peaceful theme. But soon after this announcement, things changed because the SPLA released a strong press statement rejecting governor visit. On November 13, 2025, the SPLA issued an official press statement signed by Colonel Lampol Gabriel, their spokesperson. In that statement, the SPLA said it had learned with concern about the planned visit Governor Gaikok to Akobo County. The group said, and I quote in simple language, "Even though we want peace, we will not allow any act that look like aggression." They made it clear that no SPLA IG official is allowed to enter or visit any area controlled by the SPLA. This statement included a direct warning to airlines in Juba. The SPLA accused some airlines of carrying military equipment and government soldiers into opposition areas in the past, and they say this would no longer be tolerated. They warned that any plane carrying SPLA officials or weapons would be detained and all people on board would be investigated. The group also sent a message to UNMISS saying they respect the UN mission but will not allow UN plan to bring in governors from SPLA to SPLA-controlled territory. This strong rejection quickly spread across social media, creating serious debate and fear among people living in Akobo and neighboring areas. Let's now look at the background so we can understand why the situation is serious. Dr. Gaikok is current governor of Jonglei State. He has held various government positions before and is known as an influential political figure. Akobo County, on the other hand, has long been considered an area with a strong presence of SPLA forces. It is one of the counties that has often been caught between government and opposition control. The SPLA, or the Sudan People Liberation Army, in opposition, is political and military group that split from the main SPLA years ago. It is led by Dr. Riek Machar, the first Vice President of South Sudan. Because of this story, any government visit to an SPLA area usually cause suspension. The opposition tend to view such visit as political move or security threat, not a peace mission. This is why the SPLA quickly responded and rejected the governor plan to visit Akobo. The SPLA believe the visit was not coordinated through proper peace channel. Here is a short timeline to understand how things happened. Early November, the organizing committee and county official in Akobo began preparation for the governor visit. November 12, an advance team from Jonglei arrived in Akobo to to arrange the welcome event. November 13, SPLA released its press statement, rejecting the visit and warning airline and UNIMIS. November 15, the governor was expected to arrive, but the situation became uncertain due to the warning. So in just a few days, what started as a normal political visit turned into a major tension point between the SPLMRG and SPLA. Let's summarize the SPLA position in simple terms. They reject the visit. They say the governor should not come to Akobo or any SPLA control area. They warn airline. They say some airlines secretly carried military equipment before, and if any plane tried that again, it will be detained. They warn UNIMIS. They say UN plane should not transport government officials to their territory. They ordered their force to be on alert. Lieutenant General Peter Toksholwak, the acting chief of general staff, told SPLA troops in and around Akobo to watch the skies and be ready to stop any suspicious flight. In short, the SPLA is treating the governor visit as a possible threat, not a peaceful trip. Now let's talk about what people on the ground are saying. Main reason of Akobo are tired of war. They just want peace, food, health care, and safety. Here are some of the voices we have heard. Local resident said, "We don't want more fighting. We just want to live in peace. If the government come with peace, we will welcome him. But if soldiers come, we will run away." Youth leader said, "Our people are suffering. We want leader to talk through peace channel, not through threat." Elder women said, "When plane flight over Akobo, we get scared. We hope they bring food or medicine, not guns." These are the feeling of the people. They want come, not conflict. So why did SPLA rejected this? Why react so strongly? Here are few possible reasons. Explain in simple terms. First, lack of trust. The SPLA doesn't fully trust the government movement. They believe some past visits were used to move soldiers or weapons. Second, control of land. Akobo is seen by the SPLA as part of their area. When the governor plans to come, they see it as a challenge to their control. Third, security risk. The SPLA fear that a surprise visit could lead to clashes, especially if not agreed upon through peace channel. Fourth, political message. By rejecting the visit, they are also showing political strength, reminding everyone that they still control certain areas. What could happen next? Let's look at the possible outcome. Option 1. Peaceful solution. The visit might be cancelled or postponed. The two sides could talk through mediator, agree on conditions, and avoid violence. This is the best and safest option. Option number 2. Control visit. Both sides might agree for the governor to visit under strict rules with UN or neutral observers, making sure no weapon or soldiers are involved. Option 3. Tension and risk. If a plan lands without agreement, the SPLA could try to stop it. That could lead to a clash and endanger civilians. Everyone hopes for peace, but it depends on how both sides act in the next few days. Beyond politics, the real issue is the people. Akobo County faces many challenges: hunger, flooding, poor health care, and displacement. When government and opposition leaders fight over visit, humanitarian aid workers often cannot reach those in need. If flights are blocked or planes are detained, it can delay food and medicine deliveries. Children, mothers, and the elderly suffer the most. So leaders must think about civilian first. Peaceful dialogue should come before politics or power struggle. Here are some simple steps that could help reduce tension. First, open communication. The governor office and SPLA command should talk directly to the peace channel before any trip. Second, use neutral monitor. The UN or CHOI leaders could observe and ensure no weapon or soldier are involved. Third, respect each other areas. Both sides should respect the boundaries agreed upon in peace deal. Fourth, put civilian first. Leader must always remember that their action after innocent people, not just politicians. They have to remember that their action affect innocent people. In conclusion, to conclude this story from Akobo show how fragile peace remains in South Sudan. A simple visit by a state governor has turned into a national issue between the government and the opposition. But it is also show one truth. Peace is not just about leaders signing documents like it is about communication, respect, and protecting civilians. The people of Akobo won't come, they want unity. They want leaders who care about them, not more fighting. Jo ban linge ban right ketin kon lat karodian kaler ran shalat. The lat karoti kadet wore wi ka Akobo an wala che joja gwan wonene. United kon tila delegation ni to jen rewich ka Jonglei wachi ku chubre wajin wala ka Akobo ko de Dr. Guy Cook de chubre wi ka Akobo ka gwad mi chala je en wo ken chaden linkan ndi kon re ka Akobo ko be chop re ka Akobo cha team ki delegation cha ga jaka Akobo county and awa woken ka Akobo county ko wo ko ro aleka ko ba His Excellency Dr. Guy Cook Diang Bachubre which in Winimi ala governor of Jonglei state Bachub ka Akobo for the first time after 15 years. Kajom chalat gwasame awacha organizer chakanang ala organizing committee to chajak Governor Dr. Guy Cook akana ne chup. Dr. Guy Cook Bachubre which ka Akobo ka shanka wal dich ka paiwal ker on kindang ro jandang ro wid dich. Chajo mo chajalat. Honorable James Makwach James Queen Makwach the Gen Commissioner dung Akobo County Chelado nene chigane dial jako chigone aleka ku ba Dr. Guy Cook ba jel waraken Chelado ne to wan gur kan de kan Dr. Guy Cook de kenen ke de ke jekaja kan they are ready to welcome their leader kam kwimal ka do mogwa duno gwa se me ka korke me shikume menti pinya urke shala me Queen Makwach jojo gwano chikume SPLA yo chicken statement rodien chikana nyoko metop kana kenyam Queen Makwach general kume SPLA yo but kai lere ban linga jojo no sharo linga ne konan te ka kume SPLA yo ka jawo chala kume SPLA yo chikala ro nena keni chikan logo no Dr. Guy Cook Bachubre which ka Akobo ke warga mi chikana gor ka jan shanga wal jok ka pai wal keleme ronkin daro jandanga ro dich Yukuma SPLA yo chicken order chicken top. The press statement Michigan Gor ka Terwood commercial ka Colonel Lampol Gabriel Ramadan la spokesperson ka kuma SPLA yo chala do nena. Jena SPLA yo lere je yen wo nena. Jena ngaje no Dr. Guy Cook gor je no bo were wi ka Akobo. Ano. Kani chine goro Dr. Guy Cook bo were wi ka Akobo county. Ka jomo chikan lat gwas meni kani changwe ka kwimalka tine bu alawo no be nyuru no be chup ka Akobo ko jen chiranda tine goro be ka beteo be ben ka control area dunga SPLA yo ikana la da joje no ne chicken kuma SPLA maji chicken gor SPLA maji official kani kan gore wi ka Akobo kan mu go chubre wi ka Akobo la control area dung kuma SPLA yo bamru dien bajeleng Chikala da jojo no chicken Dr. Guy Cook chicken gor rai wishin binami ke chebe chop dor chalka mo Akobo ka tada na chalke je kangai kondiale cha delegation cha ga jakrai now to la ji SPLA maji to chiro ke Queen Makwach la commissioner and bi ka chop no bi wuri chalka Dr. Guy Cook ba chop rai wich ka Akobo do no chikuma SPLA yo chicken loko statement mishkil na me kana na warning jiga na tuba kana any renal wone ne any airline mi jere yake juba no ka wo chubare ka Akobo bane let ka do kuma SPLA yo wa chikana ngaje in the past no la kuma aji la renal jagare ne la mo la din la kanu ga jede ka ba date ngwan ka maj ba kanu kana shine goro te ka renal kum bi nyur rewi ka Akobo ja jo mo cha jala da kan akane sometime renal ba chumu ja ben la no no kum la no de ni ka no mach na me mi chikana experience in the past simpai kana experience on tema ke mangai kana no kana chine na me chine bi linkpin mu kuma kirim yadi duwe chubre wi ka Akobo ajeno bi pelmu do dien lar kana wona na lungne yo SPLA maji official bi ga maj bi kan kanu karam waji no titira ga duwora kan kuma SPLA yo kan den konde la SPLA waji kan bi kan lat ka duwor ke bi kan tech kan yan gur no te garam mo bi ben ga maj rewi ka Akobo jen jorani kan lat ci kan warning no den kan nyom tup kan ba ka ji unimis kan en kuma SPLA yo kan ci ne gur no ne na bne konde la ji unimis bi karen yalen bi kan jakka bi karan SPLA maji bi kan no ray which gwal me cha control kuma SPLA yo na me kan na me control it territory mi cha ke bu kuma Dr. Yang Mata so chine goro teran SPLA maji mi bi chobon wen mana mulu kon jogati dal kon sharen la de kon jigo no ne na akan kum dangraw chinarin ngat kum dar ka gay ko ta jalar ke je ko jana governor Jonglei yo ne ga ta jakre wuchim mi batare jakka jo chaji gurno be chop re wich ka Akobo kanti jen dan le rode so ro elin kon me kwi warga gamen cha gor ka gore kume Dr. Machar and wo kan ci gan goro bi kenetin kon tin lanne kirim yadi de kan ci gan gore wich ga jen letter nen kon mo gwata me mo gwara ga jen wala ga changan wal joka payol kel ronkin dangro jen dangro de dich lam Paul Gabriel ci joma ci jalat jeni ci ne goro Dr. Gaykok be dil nyure wi ka Akobo no mo mich e woni mi kenetop so be goro no jin bo bela ne yoken commandant shore lat gwasmene anu chala kuma SPLA yo no ne sinetin kontela SPLA ji shi buchop ka territory dung Dr. Machara chang ne men Dr. Gaykok point agada Akobo wacha ja goro kuma SPLA yo ka jen anu buchubre which mi jen jodan chala ne me be nyane de koken ka tada chora lat ke jen jen gwadan de pektin be ngaje no en which roalemat so ko yamadan bro lat ke jen chang adana be kwar be chupo je bana me warning mi chatup kuma SPLA yo ka tada chigen goro jeno te Dr. Gaykok be de chubre wi ka Akobo ko Dr. Gaykok la rajen wo ka mal ban mal ge ke kuma SPLA yo kan Dr. Gaykok show ka mal we ko bana ba ko influence ana bo wuj ba jaw yar ka nge jen wo area men cha control kuma SPLA yo jen tada na lukaje jo me jen an gode nyo ay kel ban je mu den be ta mal bye